tayo sa ICM pero hindi ko alam kung kasali pa ako sa magkakat ng ribbon kasi na-late kami ng 20 minutes. Let's go! Kasi hindi ko nabantayan ang oras, guys.
Kinakusgan na mayor, dinis sa Tagbilaran, kinakusgan, kinapakuhan, kinamaayuhan, tanananan niya. So, the best beauty siya. So, we will have, okay? So, the best mayor ever. Kung pwede pagkitang ka natin na uy, nagpa-picture na yun sila. Saan naman ni? Pa-picture na yun. Pwede na pa-picture ko ito, sir? Kinakusgan pa mga mayors, di ko kalimutan. Daghan nagpila magpa-picture sa mayor. Gusto ko, talagsaon na kayo ng panahon. Magpa-picture ka sa to ang mayor. So, ayaw din ninyo po anak. Daghan pa kayo tingla. Sige, pa-picture sa ako kay Paano na start na ta sa ato ang ribbon cutting for Plantorama Exhibit and Sale, August 9 to 14, only here at the Island City Mall. Okay. I would like to call in, of course, the Honorable Mayor of Tagbilaran City, Babaya, for the cutting of ribbon, together with our organizer, Ms. Lynn Ora, and pinakasikat na mga tao karugutaga, wave vlogger, Korean Jean, Salvador. Please be the center to have the honor of cutting the ribbon for the opening of our Plantorama Exhibit and Sale. So mga higala, we are deeply honored again to have here with us to grace the opening of the Plantorama. Asa naman? So, i-invite naman parang shoppers sa ICM. Please do spread the good news. Kalagsaon na kayo ng panahon nga na ato mayor din sa Tagbilaran.
Automatic kayo ka na.
Okay. We are so grateful to have here with us this morning for the ribbon cutting. The Honorable Mayor, John Giselle Babaya. Okay, there you go. O, nana sila kunting dito. Gihangin na mga exhibitors na mo. Kuan ko ta diri ma'am, sir, mga plantita na sa kilid. Ay! Exhibit and sale. Mga higala, please do give your all ears na karon kay musulti ang atong halangdon na mayor. Pakpakan sa nato siya, Bill, at kinakuskan nga pakpak. Okay, thank you so much. Super privileged di kay ang Plantorama. Kay gihagayunan, nagi panahon ng atong kinakuskan na mayor. So young ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please welcome with a round of applause the Honorable City Mayor of Tagbilaran City, John Giselle Babaya!
Thank you to our ever dynamic host this morning and at the same time one of the organizers, Ma'am Gina Panyo, tagaan to sa Masipang Pagpagpaliro. And of course also to Ma'am Lynn Ora Tutor, tagaan po to sa Masipang Pagpag. To the management and staff of Island City Mall, thank you so much for giving us the venue, tagaan to sa Masipang Pagpag. And also to the exhibitors, tagaan po na itong Masipang Pagpag ang nato ang kaugalingon. Kailangan panangan natin karoon, maayong buntag. Together with the City Government of Tagbilaran and of course our First Lady Jania, we would like to extend our congratulations to the organizers of this very successful event. And I'm pretty sure that despite of this pandemic that we are facing, makaanhi ang mga tao, kay kinanglan yung kayo, ang ato ang mga habis sa ato ang mga Tagbilaranos and Boholanos in general, na naapoy outlet yun gihapon. This is really important, especially in our mental health, sa ato ang pagpalipas sa oras, at tulad sa balay magpuyo. Importante yung kayo ang mga ingaling ang mga exhibit, kay hiusa na lang ginataw, dili na sila magtagsatagsapat. So rest assured that the City Government of Tagbilaran will be in full support, and I know that this will not be the last of our partnership, but we still have a few daghan pa mga partnerships na itong maabot sa pipila ka mga tuwing. And also let me also take this opportunity to encourage people na magpabakuna punta sa itong mga vaccination sites. Magpalista lang ta sa itong HR kung apil ta sa A4, magpalista ta sa barangay kung individual ta, kay maura niya ang way na mapili na ito yung COVID-19 na mahuman na ta sa itong pandemic. As we say in Tagbilaran City, a sense of more. Once again, congratulations to all of us.
Thank you ever so much, Honorable Mayor Babayat. And Lantorama is greatly honored to have matayhatag po po itong kinabaptisation to Honorable Francisco Babayat, whose present spring opening. Thank you so much. Okay? There you have it. Thank you so much. Wala lang, hati mapapicture sa atong kinagustan. Extremely able, young, famous, well-respected, Honorable Mayor John Gisdel Babayat. Okay? Wala lang kayo humble of a picture. Daghang kay salamat. Bisan sa kabisi sa mayor, gitagaan kita niya panahon. Grabe niya lang suporta. I totally agree na kaning mga plantita o plantito, this is the best way to keep our mental health amidst global pandemic. So thank you so much. Okay, wow. Alaoy, talagang sa nagkikain nga panahon. Thank you, thank you. So again, we would like to invite all the shoppers of Allen City Mall to please do check Plantorama exhibit and sales starting today until August 14. So please do spread the good news na ang Plantorama din the best bibig ng mga plantita o plantito diri sa Bohol. And once again, thank you, ma'am. And we would like to give this token of appreciation to Miss Jean Salvado. There you go, pa-picture siya ka. Mga Plantoramas, kaway-kaway naman kayo dyan. So happy selling tayo the whole day, and around 2 p.m. mayroon tayong acoustic event for 2 hours. And always, every month, we will be exhibiting plant, and halos lahat naman tayo dito, may mga kanya-kanya tayong mga pinipresent na mga halaman. With our next time, sana mas maganda pa at mas marami para at least mas mainganyo yung mga visitors to visit your own booth. Especially ngayon, itong October, especially on September pala, mas maganda siguro we can showcase more for mga pagregalo for December, for Christmas gift and birthdays. And thank you, ma'am, for coming. See you again. And sa lahat po, maraming salamat at To God be all the glory. Bye. So once again, thank you very much, Ma'am Lynn, for that inspiration. And please do check. Brad, mga nagiging siya, no? Plantito. And December, Christmas is just around the corner. So, dili na, pangitan na mo daan o kinsa inyong suppliers na inyong Christmas gifts. Mochi na siya pinaka-best na Christmas gift ang plants are very practical. This is really very good for our mental health. Plants will always make us feel good. Ayaw na ng lagi. Wala na tayo laging at imanin pa. Kalikawan. Maura chini ang ato ang mga ornamentals. Kunyan, natin mga the best suppliers diri. You can also check their products. And again, I'm inviting all the shoppers of Alan City Mall to please do check Plantorama exhibit and sale today, August 9 to 14. And pamitan na mo sa inyong supplier dahan kay para maandam na mo sa Christmas. And these are the best gifts that you can give. So please do hang around. Daghan pa tayong mga surprises, mga palay pagsugod. So sulod na mo din sa ato ang activity center. Once again, thank you very much and congratulations to all the exhibitors. Welcome, ma'am.